Meaning of dimension.
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 Dimension. The term dimension is used to describe the measurable aspects of an object or space, such as length, width, and height. In mathematics, it refers to the number of coordinates required to locate a point within a space. In physics, dimensions are used to explain fundamental concepts like time and space. The concept of dimension has also been explored in philosophy and art. Overall, dimension is a fundamental concept that helps us understand the nature of our world and the objects within it.